Right, yeah. So we have this idea, it's interesting how many kind of expressions floating around in the popular conversation are related to fear and sort of truisms about fear. But one of them is that we talk about the idea of smelling fear, right? Like a predator can smell your fear. And we can smell fear, as it turns out. But what we do is we smell fear on each other, and it's not a predator thing, it's a prey thing. So prey species emit fear pheromones that their fellow mouse or rabbit or whatever can pick up on, and it's a silent warning signal. So if a mouse is crouching in a field and there's an owl overhead, the other mice might sense these fear pheromones rolling off this little mouse, and then they will know subconsciously, of course, that they need to react accordingly. And so what this woman that I write about in the book proved is that humans have this too. It's not a difference in smell per se, but our olfactory sensors can transmit signals to our brain that allow our brain to distinguish between fear sweat and exercise sweat on other humans. And so she proved, using skydiving as a tool, that the amygdala, which is one of the key brain structures involved in the threat response, that the amygdala can sense when another human is emitting fear pheromones and will react accordingly and trigger your own fear reaction, which I think is so cool.